Hi and good afternoon, and welcome back to your friendly family realtor, Quinton Pless. What I want to show you is a 3-bed 2-bath home in Princeton. This home is $305,000. Let me show you inside, but it comes with a bit of a secret. This is a new build. It's really well done. So you come in to the kitchen. This home comes with the appliances. This door leads into your pantry. Here's your laundry. And this is the garage. The interesting thing about this garage is that it's insulated. Your rain system functions on Wi-Fi. Your garage opener functions on Wi-Fi. Your thermostat functions on Wi-Fi. Sorry, the echo with a new place. Bright, sunny, well lit. These are the 2 bedrooms, newly carpeted, with a very generous walk with a closet, with a really nice second bathroom. Bedroom number 2. This would be your living room. It's your TV connection point. This has a cool little feature in the door. So if you pull this slot down, you can open and close the blinds and it's in the glass. That is cool. Comes with a little patio. This is main bedroom. Comes with a walk-in shower, single vanity toilet, and a walk-in closet. The fascinating thing about this place, check out brand new appliances, is that you can either buy the house outright at $305,800, or, surprise, surprise, you can lease to own this home, this brand new home in Princeton, Texas, within walking distance of a great elementary school and maybe 2 miles to a local high school. What is the lease to own? Only $2,180 a month. So if you'd like to know more about these properties, there are bigger homes than this, it's slightly higher. There's a 4-bed 3-bath option for $2,600 a month. Watch the next video. I'll be showing you that home. So stay tuned, check out for the next video. And so thank you for watching Pless Family Realty. Cheers, bye.